If Sketchup is showing the VC runtime 140_1.dll error, don't worry. This is usually not a Sketchup problem itself. It's a missing Microsoft Visual C++ runtime file, and in most cases, you do not need to reinstall Sketchup at all. You just need to restore the missing library on your Windows system. In this video, I'll show you the direct fix step by step, and I'll also show you the safest way to clean up the old runtime packages and get everything working again. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get started. First, understand what this error means. The vcruntime 140_1.dll file is part of the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable package. When that package is missing, damaged, or outdated, Sketchup may fail to launch and show this error. So the goal is to repair or reinstall the correct runtime components, not Sketchup itself. Before installing anything, the first step is to uninstall all Microsoft C++ runtime libraries from your system. This helps clear out broken or conflicting versions that may be causing the issue. Open the Start menu, go to your installed apps or programs list, and search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable entries. You may see several versions installed, such as 2015, 2017, 2019, or 2022, and possibly both x86 and x64 versions. Remove the existing Microsoft C++ runtime libraries if you want a clean reset, then continue to the next step. Now open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ download page. It is very important to use the official Microsoft page so you know you are downloading the correct and safe installer. On that page, look for the section labeled Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022. This is the package you need because it includes the runtime files that Sketchup depends on. From there, download the x64 version, which is named vc_redist.x64.exe. If you are using 64-bit Windows, this is the version most likely needed for Sketchup. Once the download finishes, open the installer and let it run. If the redistributable is already present on your computer, you may see a repair option. If so, choose repair first. If the package is missing, choose install. Let Windows complete the process without closing the installer early. After the installation or repair finishes, restart Windows. This step is important because it allows the new runtime files to load properly and ensures that any broken system references are refreshed. A simple restart often makes the difference between the error staying and Sketchup launching normally. Once your computer turns back on, try opening Sketchup again. In most cases, the VC runtime 140_1.dll error should be gone. If Sketchup still does not open, double-check that the correct x64 package was installed and that Windows has been fully restarted. Also, make sure you downloaded the installer from Microsoft and not from a third-party website. So to recap, uninstall the old Microsoft C++ runtime libraries, download the official Visual C++ Redistributable from Microsoft, install or repair the x64 version, and restart your computer. That is the direct fix for the VC runtime 140_1.dll Sketchup error. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more simple tech fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Sketchup error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.